Okay, we're here at this A&P right off the New York State Thruway at McLean Avenue in Yonkers, New York. And you'd expect T-63, but we got T-63 with the old covers. I do not believe this. Alarm stop. The old software too. Sure return technology. I think she's going to be done in a second. So we only got one plastic and one can in service here today. These are in good condition too. I just used ones like this in Queens a few weeks ago, I think. Was it a week ago or a few weeks ago, whatever? And they were not in this much of a good condition. Also note that cans machine over there does not have the old cover, which is rather sad. So, the store does not accept this brand, and it's Poland Springs, so I see we're in for a good time. Just watching what that lady's doing. Anyway, you have an unmarked MCI bus over there. Oh, how do you like that? There's your NABI. Sorry about the shaking. I'm holding my bottles, and it's very frosty out. I don't know what route that is. That's probably Route 20, and I don't think they run non-Arctic buses on the Route 20. But maybe they are. I saw an Orion 5 on the Thruway, but it was out of service. So I'm not a big fan of those buses, in case you don't know. Would have much rather had the Orion 5s, but Orion 7s, I mean. But to be honest, they're not that bad. Let me see, what route is that on? That is on, I think it's on the 20. Yeah, I think that is on the 20. Oh, good. Hey. So that guy's fixing the other machine, but we got this one anyway. So, here we go. Please take Kirkland. Come on. Yay. Do not throw a container. The one in Queens did that to me too. I see these older T-63s are pretty bitchy, if I may say so myself. Gotta get my Cook Awards. Alright. Come on, take it. Yeah, it just took it 5 seconds ago. Don't give me, store doesn't accept this brand. Thank you. Seriously? Come on, scan the barcode. Thank you. Oh, you want to go hands now? Machine is such a bitch. There we go. Alright. So That guy, who's an employee fixing the other machine. As you can see, he is done. Oh no, he's coming back. Shut up. Come on. Love that old cover. Just wanted to get a still shot of that before I forgot. Oh, this is going to be interesting. Hopefully it'll get that. Yay. Yeah, a lot of stores don't take 7-Up. As you can see, NY 5 cents, and it was bought in Key Food. So I'm not trying to, you know. I forget what I was gonna say. Oh well. Still, I barely ever get anyone to take a 7-Up. That's really interesting. Did it take that good? Kinda threw that one. This is gonna be our last one. Just gotta screw off the Coke cords. Come back here. Alright. Just got a little bit more. This is it for plastic. I think that's a different button than your usual T-63. No Accubeam. Oh, well, on these older T-63 receipts, they call the plastic machine the flaker, and the cans machine like the crusher or something like that. Alright, that's it.